Hi guys, good to see you in December. This is Oleg, your real estate broker with Winter Bellevue comments. This episode is going to be my December market update for all Seattle and all Eastside neighborhoods. This episode is going to be my last episode in 2024 as year is almost over. And in this episode we're going to review a lot of data stats and clearly see what's happening in Seattle housing market. I will start with mortgage interest rate. Today, December 7, when I'm recording this video, and you guys can see with me on the screen, the Mortgage News Daily shows data for today at 6.68% for 30 years fixed mortgages. Mortgage rates improve comparable to last week when we see numbers around 7%, and this is good. Mortgage rates moving in positive directions for a lot of buyers, and houses become a little bit more affordable. I like to start with a story, and this story is going to be about new construction homes in Seattle neighborhoods. Builders build property to sell. They cannot keep the property long time on the market, and if sales slowing down, builders have to provide incentives for the buyers, specifically end of the year, to move inventory. And a lot of builders provide incentive credit for the buyer's closing cost when the mortgage closing cost can be 100% covered, plus with additional funds buyers can buy mortgage interest rate down and negotiate price as well. This is tremendous opportunity end of the year. And you guys can see this house on the screen. This is specifically house I was working with Bellevue home and my clients, and this property was listed for over $1 million. Nice beautiful home, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, over 3,000 square feet. They have price tag over $1 million. The builder decided to move prices down and drop the price from $1 million to $938,000. This property spot our attention. We put it offer, we negotiate another $14,000 on top of that, and got under contract basically for $925,000 price tag. Eventually, my clients decide to buy in different neighborhood. We end up not to buy this home, but this is a story for you guys how builders are motivated right now. And if you guys looking to buy specifically new construction home, it's a tremendous opportunity by end of this year and before this market is moving to different directions. If you guys need help, reach out to me. I will be love to be your real estate resource and help you to achieve your goals and get best possible deal on today's market. And this slide show you guys month supply of inventory in King County and Snohomish County, and you guys can see different colors. Yellow color, it's less than 2 months supply of inventory. Green color is between 2 and 4 months supply of inventory. It's a balanced market. In a balanced market we see currently only in South Seattle, Tukwila and West Bellevue. Other markets pretty much seller's market, as end of the year inventory is very limited, except Western Island. Western Island only locations in Seattle area when we have 4.4 months supply of inventory and a lot of opportunities for the buyers, very similar to the last months. Now let's jump in together and see what's happening in Seattle neighborhoods. I'll show you those neighborhoods for you guys on the screen. Currently we have medium close sell price $968,000, an increase for 3% year over year. We have 1.8 months supply of inventory in Seattle neighborhoods, very similar to last year when we had 1.9 months supply of inventory exactly in the same time. And you guys can see from 2015 to 2024 prices increase in Seattle neighborhoods for about $400,000. They're not double, but almost a double for last 10 years. 22% homes in Seattle neighborhoods sold above asking price, 18% sold at asking price, 24% homes sold below asking price, and 36% of all home sellers have to reduce price before they was able to sell the property. And people who negotiate price, they negotiate about 3%, and buyers who purchase those 22% homes sold above asking price, when they compete with another buyers, they pay approximately 5% above asking price. Odds of selling in settled neighborhoods 66%, and 15% homes not closing after signing mutual agreement. Why those contracts falling apart after signing mutual agreement? Majority of those buyers not closing because they doing home inspection for the property and find something's wrong with the home and desire not to buy this house anymore. This is really important information for sellers. For you guys, if you're planning to sell the property and want your house to be successfully sold and make your plans on time to move to another state or another house, make sure your house in a good condition. Hire an inspector, do pre-inspection report, fix anything needs to be fixed prior to list the property, and then you can get successful sale when you list property for sale with an agent like myself. So if you guys need help, also reach out to me. I will be glad to lead you, guide you, and help you to sell the property for top dollars on today's market. And this is very interesting slide with some predictions. You guys can see with me on the screen, in average for last 5 years in settled neighborhoods, prices increase for 12% starting from January 1st to the April. And prediction for this year, for 2025, prices going to be increased for 12% as well, and that's represent $29,000 a month. So $29,000 a month, price is going to be increased in January, February, March, April. And if you guys a buyer looking to buy a property right now and on the market, sooner you buy, less price you're going to pay. And now let's look together what's happening in Eastside neighborhoods, east from Lake Washington, also city closer to the mountains like Woodinville, Basel, Kirkland, Redmond, Issaquah, Mercer Island. What's happening in this market? And you guys can see with me on the screen right now, medium close sale price $1,537,000, an increase for 10% year over year. Ouch! $150,000 increase in 1 year. That's a lot of money. And currently we have 1.5 month supply of inventory. And if you guys looking what's happening from 2015 to 2024 in sales Eastside market, price almost triple with last 10 years. This market is very high demand even with a high price tags right now. 33% homes in sale Eastside sold above asking price, 13% homes sold at asking price, 34% sellers have to reduce price before they was able to sell the property. People who negotiate price negotiate about 3%, and people who pay about asking price when they compete with another buyers pay 6% above asking price to compete with other buyers to buy properties on today's market in Seattle Eastside. Still, 60% homes in Seattle Eastside selling less than 15 days on the market. And this is very interesting slide. Another predictions for Seattle Eastside market. You guys can see data with me on the screen right now. For last 4 years, prices increased starting from January 1st till April in Seattle Eastside for approximately 12%. And prediction for this year, prices going to be increased as well. And that's represent about $46,000 from our medium close sale price. So for $46,000, price is going to be increased starting in January, February, March, April. Guys, if you're looking to buy, do not waste your time. Sooner you buy property, less price tag you're going to be pay. and you're going to save a lot of money. And remember, marry the price, date the mortgage rate. You can always refinance in the future, but lower possible price you can secure for your house, that's price you're going to have for life of your mortgage. To wrap up this episode, I'd like to say 2024 was a roller coaster year with changing mortgage interest rate a lot, and that changed a lot of buyers' affordability. But now the question is about 2025, if mortgage interest rate will rise or fall. If mortgage interest rate going to be fall, that's going to be push demand for the housing market, and most likely home prices going to be increased, like I showed you in those predictions. If mortgage interest rate going to be rise in 2025, that's lead to the higher borrower cost. Historical data shows what's happening in last 4 years, and most likely this history will repeat again. If you guys need any help, please reach out to me. If you're looking to buy a property or sell your home, I will be glad to be your real estate resource. I can provide for you guys 1 hour free consultation when we can go in details in your specific needs, what's most important for your family, or if you're looking to sell your house, I will help you to go through all those steps to get top dollar for your house on today's market. With that, guys, have a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. And I'll see you again in 2025.